Hi everyone, in this video I want to guide you on how to fix the mouse pointer too fast or too slow on your Windows PC. Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, even Windows 7. This process is very simple. Come to the search button here or search bar here, type a control panel, click on it to open it. Now come over to this place where you see view by large icon. If it is on category, make sure you select large icon. From the option that comes up here, click on mouse. Once you click on mouse, it brings to this interface. Then go to pointer options, click on it. Now that I click on it, then the first thing is select a pointer speed. So you need to try and adjust the speed here. If the speed of your mouse, the pointer is too slow, it means you need to drag it to this place. If it is too fast, you need to drag it to the base or to this side. Then until you click on apply, then you try to move it. If it suits you, can see it's too slow here, so I want to take it back again and let me put at this place and see. You can see it's too fast, so I want to adjust it a bit so that it will be accurate. You click on apply again, so you can see this is okay. Now click on OK. So that's all guys on how to fix pointer speed on your Windows is very fast or too slow. If you enjoyed this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.